Welcome back to Expert Crypto. How you guys doing? Hope you're doing good. We're going to be streaming this weekend. We're going to see a lot of low volatility, as we always do on the weekends. We're going to be going through a few of the trades. Last night we did sell off some of these Bitcoin leverage trades. We're going to get into some long-term holds as well. Do not worry. We do hold long-term, but we're also taking profits to maximize as much gains as we can get during this altcoin season. But yeah, we sold some of our Bitcoin off around 58.5 to 58, I believe 58.4, around that level, just to secure some profits over the weekend, because there could be some consolidation or some dips going on with Bitcoin over the weekend, because the volatility is always low on the weekend. And we do see that quite a lot, so let's jump into it, guys. Here, let me move this a little bit over. There we go. All right, so I'm on Crypto Quant right now, and we're looking at the inflow and the outflow from exchanges. It was very, very high yesterday, and we are seeing a little bit of a consolidation today. Especially on every single one of these exchanges, like calculated out, and this always happens over the weekends. That's why you guys got to be taking some profits on Fridays. Fridays are a great day to take profits, because there's always some good buying opportunities on the weekends, because these institutions aren't going to be buying any Bitcoin until they finish their golf match Saturday and Sunday, and they talk about it, and then they buy some more Monday. But we are seeing quite a lot. We are seeing quite a lot of volatility in the market, though. Still, nonetheless, we see OKB up 74% in the past 24 hours. I was going to talk about OKB in this video. They are a DEX, and I'm going to go to their website, really show you guys what they're about. Up 74%. You guys got to know this one for sure. Fully diluted market cap is 10 billion. All right, I do see this possibly not pumping too much more. But I do see a sell-off coming soon with this one. We're just going to get into it. We have gone over this one quite a lot. So the cryptocurrency exchange with the most options, this is exactly why they're doing it. They have some of the best decks, I guess you could say, out there. It's kind of confusing to use for a lot of these newcomers. I would say BNB is a lot better. We know BNB is a lot better. But like I said, this is just a DEX that allows you to use basically everything, your one-stop cryptocurrency platform, buy, trade, finance, tools, academy. It's pretty cool. And they did come out with some news. That's why they're up 74%. And that's why they're pumping. But yeah, we'll get that one out of the way. We are going to be looking at all the possibilities of what's going to pump in the next few days when Monday rolls around. So we do see FTM above 80 cents. That was a price target, so we did hit that trade off, and we're really looking forward to seeing Bitcoin stay above 56 to 57 this weekend. If we see Bitcoin holding this support level around 56 to 57 over the weekend, we are going to be able to see all these alts continue to pump up. When Bitcoin stays stagnant over the weekend, we do see large pumps in these altcoins. Altcoins are mainly bought by these retail investors. They'll buy them on the weekends. Not the same with Bitcoin. I mean, look at the volatility we had yesterday, guys. We had some large volatility in the market, and right now we're sitting very, very low. And that's like every single weekend. If you guys go back, you guys can check the weekends. Not when the flash crash happened, but that was a expectation or a different scenario. But yeah, expect this to be very, very low volatility, which normally it consolidates with low volatility. So we'll build up a new support level over the weekend, but I do see 56, 57 being a great support to see these alts pump. And we did get a soul pump today. By the way, I'm just going to go through these trades real quick, and then we'll get into some more coins in the end. We did have soul pump today. We got into this one around $42 again. We bought some earlier before. We already sold it, and now we're rebuying back in. And our main targets to sell this one at is around 51 to 54. I would sell around 32% then, and then 32% around 59 to 63. And you guys definitely want to hold some SOL long term, but in altcoin season, you guys are going to want to be taking your profits, because these things pump, and then these things will not pump as much as the coin that's going to pump after them. It goes into sessions, I guess you could say. And we're about to see a 3K Ethereum today as well. This is insane, guys. It broke out of my channel that I had, or my trend resistance. It's beating expectations by all odds. A lot of people are hating on Ethereum, but they just don't know enough about their potential. Ethereum's going to be here to stay. Ethereum's always going to be number 2, guys. And we've seen it pump up. We know that it's very, very bullish. It broke this one resistance line that we had. I would say for you guys that are holding Ethereum right now, wait for it to get to around 4,500 to 4,200, and then start taking some profits. We do have some leverage trades on Ethereum going right now, and you guys see how the MACD flipped down here. We had the MACD flip. We're gonna need to see what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin pushes up just a little bit, even if it stays stagnant, I do see this MACD flipping, and we get some nice gains with Ethereum. But it is the weekend, and Ethereum is an altcoin, so we do see Ethereum pump on the weekends sometimes, and I do see that happening. If we hit 3K Ethereum today, that's going to be a lovely day, guys. That's going to be pretty crazy for us. You guys should be holding Ethereum instead of stable coins. That's without a doubt. We've been telling you guys this for a while, and it's very, very good to see Ethereum doing that. Nothing more with VET. We didn't really hit that trade. Yes, we're approaching, or yeah, we did hit this FTM sell price around 83 cents. We wanted to sell it around 82 to 87 cents, and that was a good buy. We're up over around 3x on that one. That was a very good trade. I do see them still continuing to pump. Once they consolidate back down, I'm going to actually put another buy zone. I have this one up there. What do I have it at? Let's see when you guys should buy FTM again. All right. So we're really looking. Oops. We're really looking. All right. We're really looking for it to break down from this support level around 71, and we want to see FTM below 71 to 70 in order to buy it again. So we're gonna put a little buy level. Here, let me redo that so it's better. So we're gonna put a little buy level around 71 to 69. That's a great buy level for FTM. Again, they're showing a lot of support. So we hit that sell. You guys should probably have around 20 to 30% of FTM still left in your portfolio. If it dips down all the way to around 70 to 69, pick up some more. We do see this one long term being able to be a huge player, guys. Huge player. They do have quite a lot going on. Let me see their Fibonacci. Yeah, I do see $4 to $4 to $3 realistically in the next 2 to 3 months is not a bad bet on FTM, especially with how the market's been affected. We've seen a 10x in gas usage on FTM. This is why I've been so bullish. In April, 10x gas usage, meaning that there's 10 times more money being made by FTM in 1 month. And last month, their price was not 10x. They've only pulled off around a 2x from last month. So that's great to see. We are accumulating, again, some bands. And we are looking to sell this one around $20 to $19. And then again, around $23 to $21. Sometimes I will put buys down, especially when it bounces up and then it gets back into the sell zone. I will buy some more there if it's showing a strong support. And we do have quite the support on bands around where is this? Yeah, let me check. Yeah, we do have a strong support on band around $19, so we need to see it break above that. And we do have another one around $18.50. That's a strong support as well. We need to see that break as well. And the trend resistance has been broken, guys, so I expect this one to definitely be bullish in the next week from a technical analysis standpoint. Band is a very great product, great use case. Every one of these that I'm trading, guys, has great use case. Okay, I don't trade stuff that's really micro caps. I mean, I will sometimes, but you guys do not want to be trading stuff that doesn't have a good use case. And you guys can make a lot of money trading. I always suggest you guys start off with lower leverage. But when we're in this bull market, it's very hard for me not to be able to do a little bit of a higher leverage plays, I guess. I do have a 86% success rate on my trades in the past month. We are in a bull market, but yet again, that's pretty good. I'm a very safe trader. I do put stop losses How much leverage do I have? I'll do probably around 4 to 5% times that leverage level, and then put that as my stop loss. And I will continuously buy back in. So yeah, we sold off Cake, and it's reconsolidating right now. It's having a little dip. If it drops back down to the 36 level, we're going to accumulate some more, and we're looking to probably sell it back again. We're probably going to sell 30% still when it gets back to 41, and then when it pumps back up to around 45 to 46, we'll sell some more. And when it goes back to 48 to 49, we'll sell some more as well. We're just waiting for the ERC20 tokens to come out on Cake. And we're not sure that's going to happen, but Cake still is a great DEX. Nevertheless, if they do not release that. So I'm definitely going to be holding Cake long term. Yeah, the goal right now, guys, is just to make as much money as you can during this bull market. You guys could be holding long term. You guys could be holding long term and trading. You guys could just be holding Ethereum. There's many ways you guys can make money, and my goal is to help you guys, show you guys plenty of ways you could be making money. You guys could be doing all of these, or you guys could just be doing one. I really I don't advise you guys to do much else than what I'm showing you. There are a few ways you guys can make a decent amount of money, but it takes a lot more expertise. And I'm just trying to teach you guys the basics, get you guys a little bit more educated in trading. It's not too hard. All we're looking for is support levels. Where is this accumulating around? Where is this showing momentum towards? What's the RSI and MACD looking like compared to these support levels and these patterns that are going on? And yeah, so I am bullish on Cake. We're waiting for a little dip, though. That'd be very nice if we got to buy some more. I do see that shooting back up, especially in the short term. So we're going on to Holo next, and we did hit the buy zone, and we're hopefully going to dip back down here. Maybe get some more accumulated in Holo. It hits this lower buy zone. I would really enjoy that if it hit this lower level and we got some more around, I believe, 14 cents. 14 cents would be great Holo price to get it at. So the storage on Holo it's stupid, guys. The fact that Holo is not back up at 30 cents is beyond my belief. When Monday rolls around, when next week rolls around, if Bitcoin is not under 55 to 56, I do see Holo having massive movement. It's a matter of time. We saw lower lows. Look at we've seen a trend going downwards, right? Down, 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 and then we had the first one up. We had the really first one up, and it's down, and now it's accumulating, and now it's really looking like it's going to break out. That's how you guys can tell. This happens quite a lot, especially within the type of market we're in. We're in a bull market, meaning that we're going to see a lot of these breakouts happen, especially after this dip. So these are very, very easy trades, very, very high success trades, and I'm just sharing you guys with them, and hope you guys are participating in them. We've had quite the success with a few of them. Believe we're 100% success rate, but it is a bull market, so everyone is. But yeah. Where's this 1 inch trade? It deleted itself. All right. So here's the KAI trade. We're looking to take some more profits. Again, we did hit the profit target. We did get around 14 cents. So we made around a 30 or 40% non-leverage cost. I guess you could say not leverage on that. But yeah, we made a 30 to 40% on that one already. It's reaccumulating again. We did see this large breakout. I do see it maybe consolidating, and then Monday or Sunday even rolls around. We'll probably hit that sell price again. We just got to look out for Bitcoin. But I do see this breaking all-time highs, guys. I do see this breaking all-time highs. And this is a very large sell box. So I would probably maybe take the mean of 14 and 16 and then pick two places to sell in there. Always make sure to sell multiple times and buy in multiple times, especially with the market. Normally I would have you guys only sell once, but because we're in a bull market, selling more than once is okay in my opinion. It matters. Different tactics for different people, but I find this one the most successful, especially during the market we're in. But we do have a support level around 16 that we're looking around, or 15.6 that we're really looking for on Cardi Chain to break, but very bullish on Cardi Chain with their analytics. Drink some water, guys. All right, so going back to the market, We did take some profits on those Bitcoin trades, like I said, and we see Bitcoin back around 57,600. A lot of people short Bitcoin over the weekends. I know a lot of people that are currently doing that, and then that do that basically every weekend, especially when there's not too much news out on them, and when the volume's down, the whales can overpower the market most times. So we are looking for that. But by the way, BNB is one of these things that you guys need to be holding in your portfolio. I believe I have a tweet. The CEO of BNB was like, "Oh, BNB is on a dip," and it's yes, BNB is always on a dip, guys, until it's over $1,500. I don't see it being overvalued. It's extremely undervalued in my opinion. Definitely hold some BNB in your portfolio. I own some BNB. I always do. And I've just been dollar cost averaging on every single dip into them. And this is what you have to do with these stronger high caps. You guys can't own these small caps. We'll get into some more small caps in this video. I am going to be posting 5 great coins to have in May in this video, or today on this channel. We're going to be going over five coins, and I'll go over some small caps and some mid caps. It's going to be hard to pick only 5 to own. But yeah, so always make sure to have some BNB in your portfolio. That's never a bad bet to have, and you guys really need to make sure to really own some Solana and Chainlink as well. And I really do like DOT as well in your portfolio. We do have a few trades in on DOT, and DOT's looking extremely bullish, guys. With that rundown we had, they still have a lot of room to go towards their all-time highs, which they will break. Okay, they will break it. I do see altcoins popping off next week, and want to know why? Because we saw a lot of these smaller alt caps go absolutely volatile this past week, but with Bitcoin reaching around 57 to 58 to 56 range, we're going to see these top 10 to top 15 coins pump as well. I do see a lot of these coins picking up 50-40% gains in that week, and I do see a lot of these smaller caps picking up gains as well, and these mid caps. Everything's going to be pumping, but especially the top 10 to 15 to 20 coins are definitely going to be gaining a lot of momentum, because they still have a lot to catch up with Bitcoin, exactly where the Bitcoin price is. When Bitcoin was valued at 57, they were a lot higher, and I've been looking back at that. So that's a great little analytic to write down. But we've seen a lot of these coins that are pumping, by the way, have shot down a little bit. We have a little dip on Cake and Luna as well. Do buy some Luna, guys. Luna's a great buy. Do believe we have a few trades on them. Yeah, I'm going to go over a few questions soon. I'm just going to be going over some of these small caps. Harmony had a pump as well. Yesterday we saw that. They're kind of consolidating. All right, so let's go over some small caps that you guys want me to go. A lot of people want me to go over BPro. They're a gaming company, young team, up 17%. This isn't the right fully diluted market cap, I don't believe. Oh, dang. Look at that. Look at that consolidation, guys. We have almost a 50 or a 70% run up since this dip on the 25th, which was 6 days ago. That's not bad for BPro. I do see them being bullish, but there's probably going to be a sell-off soon, especially because they're a small cap, guys. And you guys really want to make sure to have a small allocation in this one if you are in it. I don't know when they're going to be breaking all-time highs. They did have that scam accusation, so I'm not too sure on them. But I do see a lot of people buying into it. I believe there's a few YouTubers that have talked about it. So go over Trias again. A lot of you guys are asking when to buy in on Trias. I would say just dollar cost average on the dips. We have a dip here. Buy some. We might have another dip. Buy some more. Just keep on buying on these dips. I would say maybe $6 to $7 is a good buy zone for you people that are going to be aping in. It's just this is a very long-term hold, guys. This is a very long-term hold. And you guys have to realize crypto isn't instant gains. Crypto isn't always you guys are going to get rich tomorrow. With these 100x's and these 50x's or 200, 300x's, you guys have to be holding for 6 months to a year minimum. Especially with these tokens that are this low in market cap, and they do not do good during the dips. Okay, this is why I always tell you guys to take profits. Even it could be a very strong low cap, and you guys will still see it take 50% dips, 60% dips. And I know it's a different market, but still that is still a possibility. Why I want you guys to take profits in dollar cost average on the dips with these types of small caps. But yeah, very good company, very good fundamentals. I made a big video on them, but look at their volume is insanely big. Okay, they had around 42 million volume. We did talk about them early on, and they are up quite a lot. But was probably one of the first people to call that one out. Not trying to flex or anything, but it was just came down to research. I did a deep dive on them. You guys can do deep dives as well. You guys got to check out that video if you haven't already. You guys can find these gems. When Trias hits $70, probably 3 months at the most, maybe a month. It just matters. Just matters. Especially when their patents get passed. All right, let's go through RVP. I'll go over RVP. I believe they had a large pump. Yeah, this was the one that I was going to share yesterday, but they had a too large of a pump to share about. They are partnered with some large companies, and they've been shilled a lot. I didn't want to share them. I didn't think that they were going to pump up again. I've had them for a little bit and already up around 5x on them, but I didn't think that they were going to pump off this fast. I don't really like to share stuff that's up over like 80 or 100%. I will go through them now, I guess, but be very careful. Look at this volatility, guys. Almost 32 million volatility. When I bought them, they weren't even over a million volatility. And to see the volatility 42x or even more than that, it's kind of a little scary to buy back in, guys. Just from my perspective. So it's blockchain, a decentralized database, DeFi, and crypto clearing community platform for social networks. The founder, Dr. David Glennerman or whatever, he checks out. I've looked into him. He's the CVO, and their CEO is also pretty cool. I'm not sure if I remember his name, but I do remember watching a few videos on this guy right here. Let me get to their partnerships. I don't want to butcher their partnerships, but I believe it's in their white papers. They do have partnerships with might be. I don't want to butcher it. But their partnerships are very strong. They have like 3 to 4 large partnerships. All right, so I'm not going to go over them anymore, but they are very bullish. But they've kind of went up too much in price in order for me to give you guys the go ahead. They went up another 100% today as well. They went up 100% yesterday, and then they went up another 100%. It's very scary times to buy into these when you guys see those run-ups. It's all hype. You guys will probably see a sell-off soon. I would just make sure to be careful with that. A lot of these small caps, guys, you guys are just holding them to make money. You guys are just holding these small caps to make profits. You're taking your profits along the way because a lot of these small caps are not going to survive. Okay, a lot of these mid caps are not going to be here for the long 5-year term. Most of these are going to die off. Most of these are not going to be able to get revenue from multiple streams to stay afloat. Just want to let you guys know that your main goal is to make money off of these small caps. Yes, you can hold long term, but there's a lot of companies right now that are not going to make it in the long 5-year term, and that's just why you guys got to be taking profits. In my opinion, putting them into these stronger projects. And yeah, the money is still here to be made, guys. Still here to be made. Still a lot of money that you guys can make. All right, I'll go over ramp. I've went over algo rans quite a lot, guys. Well, ramp was shilled, I believe, by BitBoy, and then I sold it. So I'm probably not going to be buying back into it anytime soon. It got shilled, but it is a great product in the Polkadot ecosystem. Are they a substrate? I believe they're a substrate, meaning that they're part of the parachain of Polkadot, which gives it a lot of abilities. Quarter 3, quarter 4. Yeah, I mean, DeFi is going to be very hot this summer, guys. It's going to be a DeFi summer. I really would like to see. I really would like to be invested into at least 50 to 60% of my portfolio into specifically DeFi this summer. I am heavily invested into DeFi as well. Right now, I believe I have 30% or 40% of my portfolio in DeFi specifically. Where's the best buy, or what is the best to buy crypto in US? I use crypto.com since they have a lot of alts you mentioned, but some are not on there, like ERSDL. What is the best to buy crypto in US? I'm not sure, man. There's a lot of cryptos. That's a very hard thing. If you guys want the best buy right now, the safest and the best, I would probably say that's a very hard question. I'm just gonna give you three crypto portfolio for you guys. If you guys want to hold these three cryptos, you will be successful the next 2 months, 3 months. Ethereum, FTM. I might need to give like 4 of them, to be honest, or at least 5. Sorry, guys. I just hold so many cryptos, and there's so many projects that So I'm just gonna say FTM, Chainlink, and Ethereum. Sorry if that answer wasn't that good. I can't. Yeah, Orin pumped. I know Orion Protocol pumped past couple days. Yeah, I would definitely take some profits if you're up over 100%. I mean, the volatility is just picking up with them. If you look at their volatility, guys, look at it's at 39 million. It was all the way up at 80 million here. You're only sitting around 30 million volatility. Volatility will probably pick up Monday, or maybe even tomorrow. We'll have to see. Volatility can't really reach as much as it does in all-time highs. You always see the volatility on all-time highs. Look at it was on a Monday. This one was on a Sunday, actually, but that's very rare to see. You'll see volatility be all-time highs when the price will pump the most on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, not on the weekends. What about KSM? Oh, yeah, I'm still bullish on KSM. It'll be over 500, 550 very, very soon. Let's see where KSM's sitting at right now. Yeah, I mean, if you see KSM under $200 or $300, you guys are going to be dreaming. That's never going to happen again. KSM's substrate, guys, very, very, very bullish on substrates, and they're implemented into the blockchain so deeply, so heavily that they're going to be $1,000 before you know it. They have too much stuff stopping them from being under 550, in my opinion. But you never know with this hype market. But yeah, they are going to be very bullish short term and long term. I am bullish on Glitch. I will talk about Glitch at some point. Let's see where they're at. I just need to do a lot more research. I have done a decent amount of research on them. I don't think this is right. I don't think CoinMarketCap has the right thing, but I do like Glitch. Yeah, so we're really looking to for these trades to wait, have you looked into MTRG? We're really looking for these trades to hit some good targets. I'm going to probably do some more TA later today and do a stream tonight where we go over trades that we're going to buy. It's just too early in the day right now. We normally see the volatility die off around the afternoon to later at night, so I'll probably do a stream later tonight going over that. Yeah, I'm going to go over a few more things and then wrap the stream up, make it shorter today. Probably do longer ones at night. 213 million market cap DeFi. It already pumped up a significant amount. Yeah, it did a 5x. So it was around supercharged Ethereum for financial net. Meter, Matic, scale. That's cool. I'm gonna save that one. Look into them more later. I'm not the biggest. Don't have the most knowledge on that one. All right. So yeah, we're really just preparing for these alts to pump off. We're gonna get all of our trades in. We're gonna get all of our holds and our buy targets and our trades looking nice for Monday and Sunday as well. That's gonna be the main goal of this weekend. We're gonna see a lot of stuff pumping up. So that's gonna be the end of the stream. And hope you guys have a great rest of your Saturday. Have a good day.